I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. We're going to start with an East Bay big picture to show how much things have changed in just the last few months, and then get into the local markets. Big picture. Homes for sale continue to climb along the 880 corridor, but in the TriValley and Delta, peak inventory was during April and May, while inventory has stabilized in West and Central Contra Costa County and La Miranda. Sales prices, the trend throughout most of the East Bay, 880 corridor is the exception, has been prices increasing month to month since May. Home sales, starting in May, massive increase in the number of homes sold in all regions. So, lots of changes during the last couple of months, but the long-term perspective, it's a bit different. Let's compare this July with last July, starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale. Big losses compared to last July. Castro Valley down 38%, Hayward down 62% with only 52 on the market, Fremont and San Leandro both down 40%. Sales prices up almost everywhere. Fremont, 1.24 million, up 8%. Oakland also up 8%. San Leandro, 788, up 9%. Union City, 954, also up 9%. Homes sold, compared with last July, down in most communities. Next up, West Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, down everywhere. Richmond was 65 for sale, down more than 30%. Sales prices up everywhere except El Sobrante. El Cerrito tops 1 million, up 18%. Pinole, 655, up 10%. Homes sold, down by a few units everywhere except for Hercules. Moving inland, we'll go to Central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, significant decreases except for Martinez. Clayton, 9 for sale, Concord 67, Pleasant Hill just 18. Sales prices, mostly up. Concord and Martinez both up 10%, Pleasant Hill 945, up 22%. Homes sold, essentially unchanged from last July. The biggest difference is Pleasant Hill with 38 sold, up 23% from last year. Up next is La Miranda. Homes for sale, down everywhere. Moraga loses half the inventory with only 9 on the market. Sales prices, up. Moraga 1.57, that's up 11%. Homes sold, up everywhere by a lot. Lafayette, 44 sold, that's up 69%. Moving down 680 into the Tri-Valley. Homes for sale, down significantly everywhere. Livermore, 43 for sale, down 66%. San Ramon, 42, that's 65% down. Sales prices, up everywhere except Alamo. Danville, 1.5 up 10%. Dublin, 1.137 up 7%. San Ramon, 1.24 up 5%. Homes sold, up a lot compared with last July. Danville, 108, almost double from last year. Pleasanton, 99 sold, up 68%. We're going to wrap things up in the Delta. Homes for sale, big drop compared with last July. Antioch, 51, down 67%. Brentwood, 109, down by more than half. Oakley and Pittsburgh also down more than 60%. Sales prices, up everywhere. Discovery Bay, 662, that's a 30% increase. Pittsburgh, 520, up 14%. Homes sold, mixed. Antioch, 105, drops 10%. Brentwood, Discovery Bay, Oakley, all up. Pittsburgh, 46 sold, down 23%. Compared with March, more activity. Compared with last year, it's still a tight market. Stay healthy. We'll see you next month.